Our classic update kits are open-ended enough to work with any engine you'd want to install in your vehicle, but they also allow you to use the factory powertrain. Kit users with a stock engine and transmission sometimes want to keep their original air conditioning in their car. So this video will detail how to make those connections with a kit that supports factory AC. Due to the number of variations found in the year ranges each kit will accommodate, along with the fact that many customers opt for aftermarket air, none of our classic update kits will include wiring for factory air conditioning. Most kits can easily support factory air conditioning with the use of either your original air conditioning wiring or a new replacement air conditioning harness from our factory fit line. The adaptability of a classic update kit makes installation of an original AC harness simple. Every classic update kit includes a feed for factory heat, but one of the wires in the dash harness can also be used to power an original or original replacement AC harness. You'll install the AC harness just as you would with an original harness, and a factory fit replacement will install and route just like an original harness. Plug the AC power feed into the classic update power feed for power under the dash. And plug your AC connections in as normal. The only other change required to use your original air will be to select a new battery feed under the hood. On many GM vehicles, the original AC constant power feed wire would connect to the horn relay. However, on the classic update kit, we moved the horn relay onto the dash harness. Therefore, many customers chose to reroute their underhood connection to their starter solenoid. If you choose to make this change, American Auto Wire part number CF39837 can be used. This part number is the AC power feed for a 1966 Impala, which connected to the starter solenoid from the factory. This means it contains the correct mating 30 amp fuse holder for the underhood connection on the main AC harness. This means the power feed can service other factory original non-Impala air conditioning harnesses when used in coordination with the classic update harness. It will essentially function like a universal part in this situation, but is a simple way to supply battery power to the air conditioning wiring. Thanks for watching. For this and other videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Ishikopoi, Samorma FYSO.